So the topic we're going to do today is circles and circles in contact. A circle is a plane whose points are all the same distance from a fixed point called the centre or the origin. So we see here at point A is the origin, so all these points on the outside, they make up the circle. So they would be, each one of them would be a radius to form a fuller circle here on the outside. So we see here now just the different parts of circles. So we see here, as I said, the origin. The origin is a starting point of any circle, and it's known mostly as a centre point. And a radius is a distance that stays the same no matter what. A radius is any distance from the origin to the diameter. So we see here these are all radii, and they never change their distance. And moving on, we see here the diameter. So the distance across the circle through the origin is called the diameter, and the diameter is 2 times radius. So you see here 1 radius, 2 radii is equal to 1 diameter. And the perimeter of a circle, distance all around the outside of the circle, is called the perimeter, and most other shapes it's known as the perimeter, but in circles it's known as the circumference. So just a few formula here. So for the area of a circle, the area of a circle is pi multiplied by r squared. So you see here in this one, there's just a quick question there to go through that. And for the circumference is pi multiplied by diameter. So let's see here, just another quick question just gone through there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a quick circles in contact question. So we see here on the left we have point P up at top, and we have our line AB. So what we need to do is we need to get our compass and come up any distance here. So mark it here and mark it there, and then what we do is we draw a line parallel to AB. Then we get that distance again from P. We swing and we make a point there on what I'll call it our XY line, and then we get that, we swing our circle like so, and then we draw, that's how we draw a circle from a point. And then moving on, so quite like this question, what we have here is we have our X, Y and our AB. So we swing here again, so that's the same distance, so just any distance, just swing there and swing, and we draw a parallel line there to AB. And the same here again on the XY, just the same distance, just swing and swing, and we just do the very same, join them up parallel to XY, and where they cross is the center point of our new circle. So just draw in your new circle like so. And just the most important part of this question is just to find the point of contact. So what we have to do is we have to come straight down perpendicular from the center point through XY, so that's one point of contact, and the same again straight through the center point out through your line AB. That is another point of contact there in that question. And just one more, what we're going to do is, this one is just slightly different now, a small bit harder. So what we have to do is, for this one we have to add the radiuses. So just for this one here, what we do is we'll get the radius of our bigger circle, add it on to our small one by swinging there, and for the big one we'll get the distance of the smaller circle and add it on to the outside. What we have to do is go back to the where we marked off that point, go back to the center of our circles and swing in like so, and swing in like so, and where they cross, what we have to do is you draw in your circle, and to find the point of contact, what we have to do is we have to bring them straight out from the center of our circle out through our other two circles, like so. And that is one point of contact, and that is another point of contact. So thank you for watching.